All right, in this video we're going to go over the two vowels that have symbols related to the letter I. These two vowels represent, from left to right, the sounds E and I. This should be easier than the A's and E's, but we'll still need to go carefully. Let's get started. First, we have the sound E, represented by lowercase I. This represents a high, front, unrounded vowel. And because the other I symbol also sits in that same high, front, unrounded position, we're going to call this one the tense version. Like most of the vowels, this one is spelled a lot of ways in English. We have it in eat and Eve with the letter E, in niece and leap. We have it in free and at the end of party. So E's, A's, I's, Y's, all participating in this sound. The trickiest thing here for English speakers is that English uses the E sound as the name for another vowel letter. And again, that's really just English being weird. In many other languages that use the Latin alphabet, including Latin itself, this sound is represented by the letter I. Okay, and the other sound we have is the I sound, represented by a small capital I. And it looks kind of like a lowercase I without a dot. And this character, this sound is a high, front, unrounded vowel, and this is the lax version of the previous one. Okay, it's almost always spelled I in English in words like in, igloo, bit, but not always. We have words like women, business, and mystery where it's spelled in whole other ways. So there we have it, the two I vowels in English, the sounds E and I. Now, what do you have in your language? Is there one sound that's kind of like one of these, or that's sometimes like one and sometimes like the other? If that's the case, you can just use the regular lowercase I to transcribe it. Or do you use both of these sounds in contrast, like in English, beat versus bit? How are they spelled in your language? Anyway, in the next video, we'll look at O and U vowels. So I will see you there.